Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the IA store a.sys experiencing very high disk usage for the system is idle. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Press enter. Now you just need to press in keyboard Y and press enter again, and the volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Now you just need to copy the second command and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer guys. This verification need to get 100% complete. Kindly please wait until this 100% done. After finishing this, go ahead and copy the add command and paste it in the same way. And after finishing this add command, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like you guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.